All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about where to buy the Tesla Pi phone, if it ever becomes available. As of now, Tesla has not officially released a phone. There have been rumors and speculations about a Tesla branded smartphone, often referred to as the Pi phone, but nothing concrete has been announced by Tesla or Elon Musk. If the Pi phone does eventually hit the market, it will likely be sold directly through Tesla's official website or possibly at Tesla stores. Given Tesla's approach with their other products, you can expect an online first release for easy access to fans worldwide. For now, if you're hoping to get your hands on a Tesla Pi phone, it's a wait and see situation. Keep an eye on official announcements, especially during events like Tesla AI Day or Tesla product launches for any updates. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.